Hey guys, hope you're having a fantastic, wonderful, amazing day. How are you guys? Hope that things are wonderful and well for you. Today in this video, guys, we are going to be drawing Mew. Now, guys, Mew is a very awesome, amazing Pokemon. I love Mew, and there's actually this Pokemon card, right, that was from Pokemon Celebrations, I think, right? So there's a lot of Pokemon cards, guys, like so many to just look at and be completely amazed by, right? Just you look at them and you're like, oh my gosh, that's such a beautiful card. So I looked at this one and I'm like, I love this card, and I want to try to bring this into something that maybe you guys can draw, right? So we're gonna draw this card. Obviously, mine's a little bit different, right? It's just just a tad teeny bit different, but it's okay. We're gonna do this, and of course, if you guys like the color of that card, you can always I guess copy the color of that card, right? But we're gonna go on. We're gonna move on. Let's do this, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful time with this world works for you. Bleh. All right, guys. So to start off, guys, it's actually gonna be very helpful if we do this little curve over here. So this is actually the head. So start off with something like this, right? And then from there, what you could do is draw these ears. So there's gonna be one ear on this side, and there's gonna be one ear on this side. Now these are the ears, right? So you can kind of see where this is going already. Like the head is kind of like tilted a little bit back, right? Then we're gonna actually draw these like curvy things. So like Mew's face actually curves into like its nose. I don't know how to explain that, but you're gonna see it. So do this curve over here, and then right after that, do like a line that goes past it, and it goes into another curve, and it stops over here, and then you're gonna do like another curve, and then it goes right back into the ear. So this is actually like the head shape, right? And then like you can see like the nose is in the, or like the nose part of the face is like over there at the front, right? You can see that. Now we're gonna go for the eye, or the eyes, and just, I always start with like the left one, so you can do the left one right there. And then for the right one, it's gonna be the same thing, but it's gonna be a lot closer. So you can kind of see like where like the direction, like the angle of the face is, right? Perfect. And then draw the bottom parts of the eyes, right? The bottom parts of the eyes are like there, but like I don't actually complete the entire shape. I kind of just leave like a little space between like just a little space like open. I just do that. I don't know. I kind of think that it looks better instead of just like drawing the entire thing and like always like completing lines. Like sometimes you just leave spaces in between and it looks good. So then once you have that, guys, you can draw the eye itself, right? Like the eye that like the actual shape of, I guess, the eye that's inside the eye. And then from there, and you have both ones, right? From there you can draw like two circles. So there's one circle in this eye, right? And then there's another circle in the other eye. Now this other circle, as you can see, like they're kind of like the same, right? Like those two circles. And then these are like the shiny white parts of the eyes for like the Pokemon that makes them look cute. So that actually never gets colored in. It's just like the white reflective part. And then we're going to draw this shape that goes in. It's like a weird shape, but it's like the shape that gets colored in with a different color. It's like a moon, right? I guess it's like a moon shape kind of thing. And then on top of the eyes, Mew actually has like these lines that are like, they're not really eyebrows, but I guess it's like I don't know, like an eyelid wrinkle or something like that. So just draw those two lines there, and then it's good. So we have we basically have the head right now. So we're gonna move this a little bit. I want you guys to see this though, right? So you can draw the neck, start it out like this, right? There's going to be one line over here and then one line over there. Those lines are going to help you figure out where like the arms are going to go out and like everything, right? So then from the left side, we can draw the arm, and it's going to have 3 fingers, but this is going to be 2, and it's going to go right back like this. And then you can kind of see like the others, like just draw a finger over here, and your third finger is going to be right there, right? So it's like facing away from us. That's basically what it's going for. And then with the right side, you can draw another one. I guess like another arm, right? And it's going to have the fingers as well. And this one, you can kind of see like the 3 fingers right there, right? And then it comes back, and it's just like that. Good job, guys. Good job. So now, we're going to draw 2 lines. 2 lines, like this is going to be like I guess like the chest area, and then like here's going to be like going towards the back right there. I like drawing these 2 lines every now and again because I want you guys to see where it's going, right? Then we're going to draw the stomach curve kind of thing. It's like where I guess the belly is. And yeah, you could just leave the line like that. And what's going to happen is we're going to draw this leg, this like leg shape, or like this leg curve over here that goes out and it goes back in just like this. And then now you can kind of see where that leg, like how that leg ends up, right? So then you're going to do the same thing with the other one, like it's like a similar shape. It's going to be a leg that goes kind of like a curve that goes in, and then it's going to go from the back all the way towards, I guess, like there in, right? And you can kind of see like, that's the shape of the leg. And then now we're going to do 2 lines again, but these 2 lines are going to go out pretty far actually. This is where like this is where the foot is, right? So Mew's like a Mew's foot is actually like long, right? And it just is, right? So once you have those 2 lines just like that, you can actually draw the 3, I guess, paw. I don't know what to call those, toes. I don't know. They're like, it's like the paw, right? Like it has like 3. So you have 3 right there. Oh yeah, just like the 3 fingers up there. There's like 3 fingers. Okay, I see how this is going. All right, so then, yeah, you should be pretty good with that. And then what's going to happen is you can actually draw the left one. And this one's actually, I feel like it's a lot easier. You can just, you don't have to draw the 2 lines because it's less long. You kind of just do the same thing, and then you just bring it back, and it's towards the back, so it's like further away from us, right? All right, good job, guys. Good job. So now we're almost done pretty much. All we need to do is like the tail. Now the tail spins around a little bit, or like it just goes in like a weird motion. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw, let's start out with this line over here, and then like another line, and you can kind of like figure out that this is what's going on, right? Like this is, that's the shape, the thickness of the tail, and then you can bring that line around and bring it all the way to here, and that's good. And then what you can do is bring the rest of the line, right? So you can kind of keep that shape, right? Keep that tail like length, size, I guess you would say, or like, you know, the width of that tail. And then we're going to bring it all the way to the other side. So like the tail's like going around towards the back, and it's going to end up on the other side. So the top part of the tail, right? Like the top line, I'm moving it out like this, and it's going to go all the way over here. Just stop it right there. And I'm going to bring another, I'm going to bring the bottom part of the line, because I want you guys to see where it's going. So you can bring that from here all the way towards over here. And that's good. So now that you have this, right, you can kind of still see that the tail is, I guess, in motion, right? It's just moving around. We're going to curve it all the way back. So bring another line and bring it all the way over here. And then another line, bring that all the way over here. That is good. So you're like so close, guys. That's it. We're almost there. So like it's just the last part of the tail is like a little like oval shape. So you're gonna just draw like a line that goes a little bit out like that, and then you're gonna bring it back, and it's sort of kind of like this oval shape, almond shaped thing, right? It's just like that. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's literally it. That's Mew. Honestly, like a lot of fun, because like I just to know that like this was like the Pokemon card, like this is like from the Pokemon card, like I love what they do with Pokemon cards. So like this was pretty cool to do, right? And of course, if you guys want to like, you know, use the colors that I used, they're on, I guess, on the screen, then you guys can see that. I drew mine pink because I was like, oh wait, they have a shiny one, so let me just draw the regular one and see how that looks. I also used the colors from like the movie, the first movie. This isn't actually like the colors that you see in like the Pokemon games, or like, you know, Pokemon, what is it, Brilliant Diamond, Shining Pearl now? Yeah, or Sword and Shield. They use different colors. They use like a pink, like a really darker pink. This actually is the colors that Mew used to be when it was in the movies. Like when it was in the actual like the first movie. If you go back and look at that movie, you can kind of see what color Mew was, and this was actually the color that they used. So just a little fun there. If you guys want to use this color, you can always use the Pokemon card color. I like completely fine with that, guys. Like that's whatever you guys want to do. Hopefully that has helped, though. I hope that this was something that you guys were able to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if this was helpful, or if there was something that you're interested in. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Hope that things are fantastic with you, and that you're You smile a lot. Thanks so much, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.